Hello everyone, and welcome. In this demo, we will learn how to send messages within openSIS and also deliver them as emails. From the dashboard, navigate to Communications. Under Communications, click on Compose. This opens the message composition window, where we can create and send messages to students, teachers, staff members, and parents. In the To field, we can manually search and select individual recipients such as students, teachers, parents, or staff members. We can also send messages to predefined recipient groups, including all students in the school, all staff in the school, all teachers in the school, all parents in the school. In addition, openSIS allows us to target recipients using filters. For example, we can filter recipients by grade level. Select the required grade level and choose whether to send the message to students or parents associated with that grade. Similarly, we can filter recipients by course section. Select a course and its corresponding section, then choose whether to send the message to students, teachers, or parents associated with that section. If required, additional recipients can be added using the CC and BCC fields. Next, enter the subject of the message and compose the email content. Now let us look at the Help Me Write feature. This AI-powered tool assists users in drafting and refining message content based on different communication styles and tones. Several tone options are available, including formal, friendly, concise, elaborate, Polish, empathetic, engaging. For example, let us select elaborate. The AI automatically rewrites and enhances the message while maintaining the original intent and adapting it to the selected tone. openSIS also supports multilingual communication. Users can select a preferred language or allow the system to automatically translate messages based on the recipient's primary language. If necessary, attachments can also be added to the message. To ensure that recipients receive both an internal message and an email notification, enable the Send This as an Email also toggle. Once all information has been entered, click Send. After the message has been sent successfully, it becomes available in the Sent folder for future reference. Now, let us learn how to send messages to a group. Before sending a group message, we must first create a group. Click on the plus icon next to Group. Enter a group name and click Submit. This opens the Group Management window. Here, we can search for and add students, parents, teachers, or staff members based on criteria such as grade level, course, or section. For this demonstration, let us select College Sophomore. Next, add the desired students to the group and click Add to Group. The group is now created and available for future communication. Return to the Compose page. In the Recipient section, select the group we just created. All members of the group are automatically added as recipients. Additional recipients may also be added using grade level filters, course section filters, CC, or BCC fields as required. We can again use the Help Me Write AI tool to refine the content and adjust the tone of the message. Ensure that the Send This as an Email also toggle is enabled, then click Send. The message will be delivered to all selected recipients and will also appear in the Sent folder. This completes the process of sending messages within openSIS and delivering them as emails. Thank you for watching.